Mr. Greg, what's your story in a nutshell?
I've been in this business since 1988, and
Okay.
a friend of mine told me about it one day, and I went ahead and explored it, and here we are. I've worked over the years. I've been able to work with some very, very good companies, and I believe in American energy and American independence.
I understand. What does you do, your company?
We partner qualified investors up with major companies they couldn't partner up with on their own. Companies such as Continental, EOG, name brand billion-dollar companies that never take private partners.
I understand. Which specific project are you working on now?
We are working right now in Oklahoma on a 3-well natural gas project up there. We just came off of 2 excellent projects in Oklahoma that are producing tremendous amounts of gas, about 18 million cubic foot of gas a day. And we just sent the first check out on one of those programs. It's a very nice check, let's say it that way.
That sounds great. Your main goal?
Our main goals are tax reduction and income. A lot of the guys I work with pay multiple 6 figures in taxes,
Okay.
and they want to find some way to reduce those taxes, create income with companies that they can't work with on their own.
That sounds great. What is the best way to grow your business in your niche?
Best way to grow this business is like it result. That's plain and simple. What we do is that we have about $10 million of inventory right now of leases that we lease ahead of time before the well is even drilled and come back in after the fact. We put together programs for our partners. These wells are already in motion. In other words, they're already drilling.
They're working on it.
Exactly.
How you see the AI wave shaping the industry?
Great question. What we do is we only select about 1 out of every 50 prospects that we get presented. And how we do that, we take AI and we'll take a 5-mile radius of all the production in the area. Let's say we're presented with a particular prospect. We take a circle of 5 miles of existing production on all the other wells just to see if the economics will work to start with. We know they're going to hit a well. We want to know will the economics work? Is there enough oil there to make good money?
That's great. Do you have a final advice or wise words for our audience?
If you're considering investing in oil and gas, 2 things that you want to look at. Every well in this country has what's called an API number. That stands for American Petroleum Institute. That is the address of the well. Just like the address of your home, that's the address of the well. That way you can do your diligence and find out who the operator is, where it's located, what the production is, everything before you ever consider investing in oil and gas. That's always the number 1 rule. And 2, always invest with an operator that has the most skin in the game. In other words, they've got more skin in the game than you'd have.
Okay, understand. Somebody want to invest, for example, like you're telling me, what is the steps to invest?
We'll have a conversation first and find out, what exactly you're looking for and see if we can help solve the problem.